Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel. And if you are new to this channel or you have bumped into this channel, thank you so much for even taking your time to watch this video. And as for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me by watching all my videos that I post on my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. So today we are going to make a very simple meal, that is dry fry beef. So onto onto the preparation process. So as you can see, I'm preparing my onions, and behind the scenes I had started boiling my meat. So my meat is now ready, is already boiled. So I'm going to add oil and add my onions into the sufuria or into my cooking pot, and let's start cooking. So I am going to ensure that my onions are well cooked, or rather I steam my onions for about not steam, fry my onions for about a minute. Then as you can see there, I'm preparing my garlic, 3 cloves of garlic that I'm going to add into the onions, and let the mixture cook for about 2 minutes. Then later on I am going to add my next ingredient, which is a dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and one flavoring cube that has chili already. After that, on this other end, I will be preparing my hoho. As I let this mixture cook for about 3 minutes under low medium heat, and I will have covered the pot. Later on, I'm going to add my boiled meat. Please be notified that I never added even salt in my meat while it was boiling, because I knew that the chili and the dark soy sauce have enough salt that is going to cater for my meat. However, I'm not limiting you on adding salt. If you feel that the salt from these 2 ingredients are not enough, then you can go ahead and add your salt. Anyway, so after I have added my meat, I'm going to let the meat infuse the flavors for about 6 minutes or even 5 minutes at most under low medium heat. Then the final ingredient that I'm going to add into this meal is going to be my green onions, my green capsicum. So capsicum ama hoho. So I'm going to let it cook for 2 minutes. I want my the main essence of the green onions, not green onions, wow, the green pepper is to have it crunchy and have that flavor towards the end. So we are not going to cook it till it's mashed. And voila, please stay tuned and have a look at the final product. I am so sure you're going to love it. Yes, do you by any chance want good food and you don't have time? I do meal preps. I can prepare meals for a whole week for you. I also train house helps, or even train people individually on how to cook good food. So if you need my help, I will link my number in the description box. Do not feel ashamed to holler at me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I love you guys. Bye.